The cryptocurrency industry
struggling to get inflation under control.
Could become part of our financial future.
It's somebody's liberty, it's somebody's silent protest.
In the decentralized world of blockchain technology, economic incentives are at the heart of every successful network. These incentives are what drive participants to contribute their resources, time, and efforts in ways that benefit the entire network. They motivate participants, align their interests with the goals of the system, and ensure the network runs smoothly and securely. Without proper incentives, decentralized networks would struggle to function effectively, as participants would lack clear reasons to engage in the processes required to maintain and grow the system. Incentives are critical in achieving consensus, securing the network, and encouraging active participation. Unlike traditional systems where a central authority enforces rules and monitors activities, blockchain networks operate in a decentralized manner. There's no single entity in charge of governing the entire system or enforcing decisions. Instead, blockchain relies on economic incentives to guide behavior, ensuring that participants act in ways that are beneficial to the network as a whole. This decentralized approach creates a unique set of challenges, but with the right incentives in place, these challenges can be addressed. Economic incentives are designed to solve key challenges in decentralized systems, such as achieving consensus, securing the network from attacks, and encouraging ongoing participation. Blockchain systems depend on consensus mechanisms to agree on the validity of transactions and updates to the ledger. Participants in these systems, whether they are miners, validators, or developers, need to be motivated to act honestly and contribute their resources for the network to succeed. Economic incentives ensure that participants align their actions with the network's goals and continue to play their part in keeping the system secure, efficient, and scalable. There are three main types of incentives that drive behavior in blockchain systems: financial, reputational, and social. Each of these incentives works in different ways, influencing participants' actions based on their priorities and motivations. Financial incentives are perhaps the most direct, as they involve monetary rewards or tangible benefits. Reputational incentives focus on the status or trust participants build within the community. Social incentives appeal to participants' desire to be part of something bigger, such as contributing to a shared mission or collective effort. Financial incentives are the most straightforward and direct form of motivation within blockchain systems. Participants are rewarded with cryptocurrency for their contributions, such as validating transactions, maintaining the network's integrity, or staking assets to secure the blockchain. These rewards are tangible and provide participants with a clear and measurable reason to engage with the network. In proof-of-work (POW) systems like Bitcoin, miners compete to solve complex cryptographic puzzles. The first miner to solve the puzzle earns a reward in the form of newly minted cryptocurrency and transaction fees from the validated transactions included in the new block. This system encourages miners to dedicate their computational resources to the network. The more computational power miners provide, the more likely they are to win the reward, creating a competitive environment that ultimately strengthens the network. In proof-of-stake POS systems, validators are selected based on the amount of cryptocurrency they hold and are willing to stake as collateral. Validators are rewarded for their work in validating transactions and creating new blocks. This system promotes honesty, as validators risk losing part of their staked assets if they act maliciously. The financial rewards in POS systems incentivize participants to act in the best interest of the network, while the collateral system ensures they are motivated to avoid dishonest behavior. Beyond mining and validating, transaction fees play an essential role in providing financial incentives. In most blockchain networks, users pay fees to have their transactions processed. These fees are distributed among the miners or validators responsible for including the transaction in the blockchain. The higher the transaction fee, the more likely it is that a miner or validator will prioritize that transaction, helping to manage network congestion and encourage participants to provide timely and efficient services. While financial rewards are important, reputational incentives also play a crucial role in motivating participants in blockchain networks. Reputation is a powerful currency in decentralized systems, where trust must be earned rather than imposed by a central authority. Participants who consistently act in good faith, contribute to the community, and adhere to the network's rules build strong reputations. This reputation can translate into increased influence, credibility, and opportunities within the network. For example, participants who regularly validate transactions or develop applications that improve the network's functionality can become well-respected members of the blockchain community. Their contributions are recognized, and they are often invited to take part in governance processes, collaborate on projects, or represent the network in external forums. Reputational incentives encourage participants to act honestly and contribute positively to the network, as a strong reputation can open doors to new opportunities and increase their standing within the community. In decentralized governance models, reputation becomes even more critical. Many blockchain networks allow stakeholders to participate in decision-making processes by voting on protocol upgrades, network policies, or project funding. Participants with strong reputations often have greater influence in these processes, as their input is valued by the community. This reputational capital can be just as valuable as financial rewards, providing participants with long-term benefits and the ability to shape the future of the network. Social incentives are driven by the desire to be part of a community and contribute to a collective effort. Blockchain networks often attract participants who are motivated not just by financial gain, but by a sense of shared purpose. Many blockchain projects are built around mission-driven goals, such as promoting financial inclusion, decentralization, or environmental sustainability. Participants who share these goals may be motivated by the opportunity to support a cause they believe in, even if the financial rewards are not their primary focus. Community engagement is a key driver of social incentives. Blockchain projects often foster vibrant communities of developers, users, and advocates who are passionate about the technology and its potential. Being part of this community provides participants with a sense of belonging and the opportunity to collaborate with like-minded individuals. Social incentives encourage participants to contribute to the network's growth and success because they believe in the community's values and goals. Open source platforms rely on developers from around the world to contribute code, share knowledge, and work together on solutions. Economic incentives are the backbone of blockchain networks. They help maintain security by encouraging participants to act honestly and protect the network from malicious activities. In proof-of-work systems, the computational resources required to mine blocks create a financial disincentive for attackers, as the cost of launching an attack outweighs the potential benefits. In proof-of-stake systems, the risk of losing staked assets ensures that validators act in the network's best interest. Designing effective incentive structures is essential for blockchain networks to ensure that participants act in alignment with the system's goals, promoting security, integrity, and growth. These structures must balance rewards and penalties to maintain a sustainable, decentralized ecosystem. Financial rewards like block subsidies and transaction fees motivate miners and validators, while penalties such as slashing and proof-of-stake deter dishonest behavior. Staking and liquidity incentives further encourage active participation. By carefully crafting these incentives, developers can create networks that drive security, efficiency, and innovation, ensuring long-term success. Incentives are key to a blockchain network's success. By designing them effectively, networks can ensure security, decentralization, and growth. As blockchain evolves, refining these structures will be crucial for driving innovation and sustainability. Stay tuned for more insights in the next chapter.